To get the drawing effect, we're gonna use this app. It's called Sketch. Let's open it, and you'll see the first window right here. And if you get it for free, you're gonna get some ads, so just keep that in mind. So we have one sample here, but we're gonna make our own. So we're gonna tap on this little camera on top on the left side, and we're gonna get a photo from our camera roll. And then I'm gonna pick this one, and as you can see, the app does the job by itself. So there's like a few controls on the screen, and you still see the ads. So these are some settings. This one right here is to unlock all the filters, all the effects, and here you can switch around filters, but I love this one the most. Some other filters are very cool, but you have to pay for them. And then right here on the bottom, you have the controls to adjust how the image is gonna look. So we have 4 controls, and this is the thickness of the stroke, as you can see right here. I'm just gonna leave it like that. And the second one is to give it like more strokes on top of your, like I would say, your skin overall, but you can tell more on your skin. And if you do that, you're gonna see some shadows around, and that makes it look even better. So here, the third one, you see the light, how bright you want it. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And the last option, as you can see right here, the image like all around looks kind of yellow, so we're gonna make it white, so it looks like the drawing was made in paper. So this is the final result. As you can see, it looks very nice. I actually like it a lot. And this is how you can turn one of your regular photos, or you can turn yourself into a drawing. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.